Hi guys, this is Alo and I would like to show you my first arcade bar top cabinet project I made. I made a one-player arcade cabinet, not because I don't have friends, but because I like the proportions. Making the cabinet with a 16 millimeters wood panels, half an inch more or less. And with the proportions of the buttons and the screen, I was looking for a chubby, roundish aspect for the cabinet, and that's what I would like to achieve. Here you can see the design is based. The topic is Messenger set. It's an anime back from the 80s, early 80s, more or less. And the color scheme is based on that. It's red, blue, white. And black. It's running, of course, a Raspberry Pi 2 with RetroPie with attract mode, which I think looks really awesome, and just made the machine, made the work just worth it. Just to see the screensaver mode, it's enough for me. Here you can see I added the coin button and the one-player button in front of the machine, and then also I added a couple of service buttons here on the right. For configuration purposes, I wanted to make them not very visible. That's why they are on the side and they are black. Okay, let's take a look inside. This is the back of the machine. As you can see, I'm using a regular AC power cord with a general switch. I'm also using a grid for ventilation, which I don't really use because it became really noisy. We'll try it out now. And this is another ventilation grid, but just for aesthetical purpose. It's not really needed. What you can see here is the temporary handle for the door. Of course, I will change this, but I'm waiting for the glue to arrive. Okay, let's open it. There we go. Okay, here as you can see, there is a Raspberry Pi there, Raspberry Pi 2. Here we have 3 different AC/DC power adapters for 12, 8 and 5 volts for different components. Here behind the TFT screen there is the speaker amplifier. Okay, now it's sharp. The speaker amplifier, which is a Logitech couple of speakers which I rip off, and here is the volume control. You can also turn it off from here. Maybe it would be nice to have an exterior wheel for the volume, but I wanted the machine to have as less external buttons as possible. That's why I don't have the volume or the TFT control buttons inside the machine. I wanted to look in the outside as clean and plain as possible. This is a TFT driver, and this is the buttons for the control. And there in the back you can see the arcade buttons and the joystick wire, and connected to the GPIO port of the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi has a Wi-Fi dongle, which is the thing blinking in the top, and also on the top we have the speakers and the light for the magazine. I added a little switch to control it in case it's annoying, but came out to be pretty good. Not too sharp, not too bright, not too dark. So you can switch it off and on. Okay, I also added this ventilation for the RetroPie, which is for the Raspberry Pi, which is not really needed, but as you can hear, came out very noisy and it's annoying. So you can switch it off, and much better. I try to keep all the wires tidy and clean. I don't know if I made it, but I'm super obsessed with that, so I hate the clouds of cables, so I try to keep it as much as possible. And that's it, guys. I hope you like the project. I had a lot of fun making it. I'm actually quite quite sad it's finished, because it was a lot of fun, the design process and the building it. So yeah, maybe I'm thinking already in my next project. Before leaving, here are some pictures of the making of process. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Have a nice one.